Can you hear me?
Talk.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, we're good. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
We're good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so one of the questions that I feel like a lot of people throw around these days is, how do I get followers? The problem with that question is followers don't really matter in the long-term scheme of things when you're building a project idea or a business. What actually matters is, how do you build a following? A loyal following of people that you're serving, not looking to actually get something from, but help push their needle forward. When you ask that question, the easiest way to think about this is these three tiers: perception, engagement, action, funnel. So, don't even think about social media. Think about real life. You know how they say perception is everything? Well, why do you go to school to get the degree that you got at the school that you went to? Probably because you want to be perceived in some type of way that makes you seem smarter, more intelligent, know that you know what you're talking about with your craft, get that job that you've always dreamed of. Well, once you get that job or you move that next tier, then you're able to create engagement around other people. So you might post on social media, I got this job, because you're perceived in some type of way, because you earned it, you went to school or got that degree or whatever it looks like in your world. Now you're earning that engagement from people. Once you start earning that engagement, the third tier is unlocking the ability to provide some type of value to them that then gets them to take action in some other way, which means that you're funneling them towards something that you hope that they move towards. Now, when you're thinking about this, perception equals everything, on your social media accounts, what you really need to dig deep into is, who do you really care to be perceived by? That's what I mean by following, not followers. Instead of going after 1 million followers, you really want to think who your target following is. Who is that perfect person that would get value from your content, and how are they perceiving you? The best way to figure this out is to literally write down who that target following is, put out content to try to attract them, get in your DMs, take some videos, and ask them, hey, is this hitting home with you in this way? They're gonna tell you straight up how they perceive whatever you're putting out. If you know that you're actually hitting home on your target market, then what you do is strive for engagement. Go for engagement, not in your comments, but in your DMs. You want people conversing with you. You wanna send videos to them. You actually wanna start conversations. I've never really been a fan of comments, because somebody leaving me a fire emoji or a heart sign doesn't really do anything for either of us. It actually wastes both of our time. I'd rather them go back to their day and make an impact somehow in their community than give me a fire emoji. Instead, start creating engagement around saying, connect with me. I'd love to learn more about how I can help you. Get them in your DMs, see what you can do to serve that target following. Then, once you start serving in your DMs, and DMs can be 1 million different things. It could be phone calls, emails, whatever one-on-one conversation you can get with them. Then you earned yourself to talk with them, understand some of their problems, build that content around those problems with the solutions that you now have, and then ask them to take action in some sort of way. Hey, leave a comment which tells me your story or the problem you're having. Hey, connect with me in the DMs. Hey, I'd love to have a phone call. Once you've earned this, then you can get them in your funnel. You earned their trust. You serve them. You help provide value to them. And maybe, just maybe, they'll buy some of your products or services one day because they're actually solving a problem for that target following. The issue with this tier structure is most people start here. They strive to get people to take action before they even think about the perception. So you just have a lot of salesy people running around say, hey, buy this, buy that, go here, go there, don't go here, don't go there. A lot of opinions, rather than striving to provide value and be perceived as somebody that actually gives a shit to help me with the problems that I actually have. Don't sell me snake oil. If you follow this structure in the correct way, you're gonna do much better at connecting with your audience and building that target following that you've always hoped for. And more importantly, you're going to grow your community around like-minded people who love what you're putting out and support the value that you're providing. Peace out.